ادع إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين. أما بعد. In today's lesson, we're going to take the final vowel in the Arabic language. We've taken fatha, we've taken kasra. Now we're left with dhamma. Dhamma. Imagine this is a letter. Dhamma is represented like this. It goes on top of the letter and it looks like this. So it looks like a wow. The Dhamma looks like a wow. You can write it like this, or you can write it like this. You can start from here and go around like this, or you can do this. You can start from here. طيب, this is Dhamma, Dhamma, Dhamma. Dhamma is spelled like this. If you're going to write it in Arabic, Dhamma, Dhammatun. Remember, this is ta marbuta. If you stop on it, we stop on it with a ha sukun. So we say Dhamma. Some people they say Dhamma, Dhamma. It's not Dhamma, it's Dhamma. This is the haraka that we're taking today. Dhamma. How is it pronounced? The Dhamma is pronounced by bringing out the lips. You bring out the lips like this, and it's like you create a small circle with the inner part of your lips. So you create like a small circle like this. So your lips are like this naturally. Ooh, it comes out like this. Ooh, boo, tu. Yeah, this is how we pronounce the Dhamma. So ooh, boo, tu, thu, ju. I'm gonna write the letters down now, inshallah, and we're gonna read the letters with Dhamma before we begin our class today. Okay, let's now read these letters with the Dhamma. And remember, we need to bring out our lips when pronouncing the Dhamma. U, bu, tu, thu, ju, hu, khu, du, dhu, ru, zu, su, shu, su, du, tu, dhu, ru, ghu, fu, qu, ku, lu, mu, nu, wu, hu, u, you. All of these vowels are one haraka. We don't stretch them. It's just one count, which is half a second. U, bu, like this. This is what we're going to use just to quickly revise the three vowels in the Arabic language. In the fourth lesson of Qaida al-Nuraniya, this is what they teach you in terms of the three vowels, which is something very short. This is why we used Iqra Qira'ati to go over the harakat, so that we have a better understanding and more practice of the harakat. So let's revise using this. When you read Al-Qaida al-Nuraniya, they want you to spell it out. So you say Hamza Fatha A, Hamza Kasra I, Hamza Dhamma U. But we're not going to do that, yeah? We're just going to read. We're going to say U, Ha Hi Hu, A U, Ha Hi Hu, Gha Ghi Ghu, Kha Khi Khu. Qa is supposed to have a fatha. It's missing a fatha. Qa Qi Qu, Ka Ki Ku, Ja Ji Ju, Sha Shi Shu, Ya Yi Yu, Da Di Lu, La Li Lu, Na Ni Nu, Ra Ri Ru, Ta Ti Tu, Da Di Du, Ta Ti Tu, Sa Si Su. Supposed to have a Dhamma. Sa Si Su, Za Zi Zu, Dha Dhi Dhu, ذا ذي ذو ثا ثي ثو فا في فو وا وي وو ba bi bu ma mi mu. Okay, so on this page the author, he teaches us the third and final vowel, Dhamma. Ku, tu, bu. Let's read. A, I, U. Ba, bi, bu. Ja, ji, ju. Du, di, da. Dhu, tha, thi. We, wa, wu. Nasara, نصير رزق مكث كتب ضخم رفع رفع يمن شجع رزق لأم عظم كثر قرب خالق فواكه كواكب حليم حفيظ جليل. The ya shouldn't have a kasrah here. This is a printing mistake. رفيع مجيب مميت وعسى سكارى وعيسى سائبة بآياتي ونسكي. And just like the other harakat, which are stretched from one count to two counts by adding a letter, the same with Dhamma. So Dhamma goes from one count to two counts if we have waw sakina after it. If we have a waw sakina after the Dhamma, it goes from one count to two counts. So U becomes U. And remember, sukun, we said it's represented with this sign or this sign or nothing at all. So if you see nothing at all on a letter, then that's a sukun. Yeah, that's a sukun. So I haven't written anything on the vowels. That means the waw is sakin. Okay. So here this waw is going to stretch the dhamma and make it two counts. So let's read this from here to the end by stretching it all two counts. Previously we said u, bu, tu. Now we're saying u, bu, tu, thu, ju, hu, khu, du, dhu, ru, zu, su, shu, su, du, tu, dhu, ru, ghu, fu, qu, ku, lu, mu, nu, wu, hu, yu. This is how we pronounce the Dhamma when it has a waw sakin after it. We stretch it two counts. So on this page, the author is teaching us how to stretch the Dhamma from one count to two counts with the addition of waw sakina, the waw with the sukun. So we say u, tu, yumaddu biqadri harakatain. It's elongated approximately 2 harakat. عاد يعود زار يزور طاف يطوف كان يكون صام يصوم رام. The meme should have a fatha. يروم عائدون يقيمون يفيضون يتخاصمون يتخافتون يتماردون صابرون راغبون يرثني فعقروها تلوموني هنالك. This fatha shouldn't be here on top of the alif. It should be on top of the noon. هنالك ناكسوه كالحون فتثير لما يوحى رؤوسها تلوموني يوزعون مقاليد كارهون شحومهما صاغرون ناكسوه خاطئين فتوبى يسوقون يزيلون رسوله فما رأى. So let's quickly recap what we've taken so far in this phase. In this phase, we've learnt fatha, and I'm going to use ba as a demonstration. We've taken fatha. So ba with a fatha, we pronounce it ba, and that's by opening the lips like this. Ba, ba. And this is one count. This is the first vowel. To stretch ba from one count to two counts, we need to have an alif after it. If we add an alif, it goes from one count to two counts. Now we say ba, ba. After this, we learnt kasra. So I'll use ba again. Kasra is a line at the bottom of the letter. We pronounce it as B, B. And if you remember, the lower lip goes down. The lower lip goes down. B, B. To stretch B, which is one count, turning it to two counts, we need to have a ya after it. And this ya must be sakina. We pronounce it as B, B, two counts. Today's lesson now, we learnt Dhamma. Dhamma is represented like this. So we say bu, bu, and we pronounce it one haraka, and the lips, they extend outwards. They come out. Bu, bu. To stretch Dhamma from one count to two count, we need to have a waw sakina after it. It will take it from bu to bu, bu. So this is what we've taken in this section. The short vowels, ba, bi, bu, and the long vowels, ba, bi, bu.